Hello and welcome to the 34th episode of the Python tutorial series. In today's video we will discover three new commands: break, continue and pass. All these are used in loops, so let's dive straight into an example to better understand their use. In this example we have a for loop. As you can see, this loop iterates through the items in the list and squares them. However, what if one or more of the elements, as in our example, were not a number and were instead a string? Well, the code would generate an error, so that is why we have the try and except pair. This way, any errors which are raised by the code can be dealt with appropriately. If you would like to learn more about the try and except syntax, you can check out my tutorial video by clicking on the link in the top right-hand corner of your screen or in the video description. Returning to our example, you can see that inside the except statement we have the break command. What this does is it interrupts the for loop immediately and forces the program to continue with the rest of the code outside the for loop. So in this example we can run our code, and as you can see, it behaved correctly until it got to the string. This generated an error which triggered the except command. This in turn activated the break command, which interrupted the for loop and forced the code to carry on by printing the incomplete list of results. While you may think that this is too drastic a measure, this can often be very useful to accurately pinpoint where an error may occur within a code. Now though, let's move on and, taking the same example, we can substitute the break command with the continue command. What this does is it simply instructs the code to carry on with the for loop as if nothing has happened, and in this case it will skip the item which caused the error. So if we run our code, you can see that we get the full set of results we wanted while simultaneously ignoring the incorrect input. So in this case we get 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, we skip the hello string, and then we get 5 squared and 6 squared. Finally, we have the pass command. This is a much simpler command, and it doesn't really have any particular meaning. It simply acts as a placeholder for future code. So in our example, the except statement requires some code to be written within it. But if, for example, we haven't got round to formulating the correct code to write here, we can simply insert a pass command as a placeholder and thus run the code without any issues. So, now to recap. The break command interrupts iteration loops. The continue command forces the loop to pass on to the subsequent iteration, while the pass command acts as a placeholder to satisfy any syntax requirements before the actual code is written. Having said that, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if so, make sure to like, share this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll leave a link to my other tutorial videos and coding challenges in the top right-hand corner of your screen and in the video description, so don't forget to check those out if you'd like to learn more about the fascinating world of coding. I look forward to seeing you again next week for a new video, and as always, happy coding!